Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back again with our latest weather analysis. This is our weekend edition for today's Saturday until Monday, April 20 to 22, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center, and in partnership with Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested to know more about BPI Sustainable with You project, just click on the link here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, just click on our description link, okay, up here, just above this video for more details about this project of BPI. And also one of the best hotels in Bicol region, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. It seems that every day we are experiencing this high heat index, okay? This extreme and dangerous heat index, which is crucial in our day-to-day lives, especially if we have some health problems like high blood pressure, heart problems. So this is very dangerous. So avoid going out during noontime or early afternoon, and drink lots of water to beat this kind of increasing heat index, okay? Since we are in the middle of the hot dry season and combined with the combined effects of the El Nino, so we are expecting to feel this intense heat until the onset of the wet season, which is likely during the last week of May or during June of this year, since El Nino started to weaken. And we are now moving into neutral climate conditions. And here's the graph set that we created for today. This is valid for the next 48 hours until Monday. We still have the warm and dry Easterlies across the Bicol region, eastern and central Visayas, and eastern and northeastern Mindanao. But the most likely over Mindanao, there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms due to this approaching moisture from the Pacific Ocean. So expect some rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, beginning tomorrow until Monday afternoon. Okay, so this is a relief. If you're experiencing some high heat index data right now or temperatures, this rainfall will alleviate this kind of heat. Okay, while over the eastern Visayas and Bicol region, most likely there might be some thunderstorms, isolated ones, by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday only, based on what we see on the computer models. Okay, and if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. We are observing some increasing cloudiness just above the equator over the Caroline and the Marshall Islands. This is a sign that the intertropical convergence zone is starting to develop, but still a couple of surface trough here. So we expect this to increase during the month of May. But so far, there's no tropical cyclone development for the next 5 to 10 days based on the computer models. Here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. This is from the EUMETSAT satellite servers. So you can clearly see here that thick cloudiness to the east of Mindanao that will bring rain showers and thunderstorms in the next 2 days or through the weekend. So this is a relief for them. While the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain hot, dry, less winds, okay, calm conditions, lots of blue skies. So don't forget to avoid going out during noontime and early afternoon because of this extreme heat index, or what we are feeling or what we feel from this heat, okay? And for the latest on the highest heat index observed here in Naga City as of Saturday, April 20th. The highest so far is still over Barangay Liboton at 46.4 degrees centigrade around 3:07 p.m. This is up by about 0.7 degrees. Okay. So again, danger for heat cramps, heat exhaustion are likely, plus heat stroke is probable with this continued exposure under the heat of the sun. And for the next 2 days, Sunday and Monday, April 21 and 22, expect heat index to still be above 40s, especially over Sibisua, Pili, Camarines Sur, while here over most parts of Naga City, we expect a little bit higher, likely around 43 to 45. Okay, and for the latest on the automated weather stations regarding the highest heat index and highest temperature observations, and this is for today, Saturday, April 20th. Again, Naga City, Liboton is the highest, 46.4 around 3:07 p.m. Followed by San Felipe, 45.7. Mabolo, Naga City, 45.4, but Mabolo got the highest temperature of 36.5 degrees centigrade. This is already hot, okay, when it comes to the outside temperature. This was recorded around 1:34 p.m. But thanks to the humidity, it's much lower. That's why it's only 45.4. But it's only 1 degree shy of the highest heat index. Like here in San Felipe, 45.7. If we rounded it off, it's already 46. Other areas of Naga City, Concepcion Pequeña is 45.3. Calabanga, 44. Concepcion Grande is 43.5. Okay. In Sangay, Camarines Sur is a little lower, 42.7. Sorsogon, 41.7. Legazpi City is around 41.4. And Virac Catanduanes is 39.6. Okay, so that's the latest. And as we look at the graphics, okay, from our weather station here in San Felipe, you can clearly see here the ups and downs of the heat index. So it's already going up again, but let's hope it will just be within 40 to 45 degrees range until the arrival of the wet season. So again, avoid going out during noontime and early afternoon. And if we take a look at the latest from Pag-asa, the highest heat index as of today, April 20th, there are areas here that have a high heat index, like Dagupan City in Pangasinan. It's around 42 degrees. Apare Cagayan, around 45 degrees Celsius. Sangli Point, Cavite, 43. Metro Manila is only around 38 to 40. Okay. Abornan, Palawan is 44. What else? Rojas City is 45. So this is higher. 45 over Giwan, Eastern Samar. Okay, so far that's the top heat index when it comes to the highest ones across the Philippine Islands. And for the wind forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 3 days until Monday, generally it will remain easterlies across the eastern sections of the country. Okay, and if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, here you go. Only the island of Mindanao will be expecting the rain showers or thunderstorms because of the approaching moisture embedded within the warm easterlies. So this is a sigh of relief across Mindanao. So enjoy there. Okay, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry with 0 to low chances of rain showers or thunderstorms. For the wave forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, so this is today, Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday, and until Monday, it will be generally fine when it comes to the waves or swells across the Philippine Islands, around 1 to 1.6 meters in height over eastern coastal waters of the Philippine Islands, while over the inland waters and the West Philippine Sea, it will remain below 1 meter, okay, up to about 0.3, or we can call it as calm conditions. So enjoy this good waves, okay, and it is very suitable for fishing and sea travel for the next 3 days. And that ends our update, our weekend edition of our weather analysis, and we will return early next week to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying have a great weekend, stay safe always, drink lots of fluids, and avoid going out during noontime or early afternoon or between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. to avoid this extreme heat index, okay, across the Philippine Islands. Thank you so much, and God bless to all.